Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 9 Simulation Training. So open the Excel Chapter 9 Simulation Training and check the another assignments grades. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So open the Excel chapter 9 simulation training. Total question 19 and we move to the question number 1. Group the quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4 and yearly total worksheets. Group the 1, 2, 3 and 4 and next is to yearly worksheets and next is with the quarter 1 worksheet display fill the contents and formatting cell A1 across the all worksheets. So on a quarter 1 worksheets and to display the cell A1 press enters and next is worksheet display the across the worksheets and contents and formats and click OK. And next is fill contents and formattings of the heading information in the range A2 to A10 on the quarter 1 worksheets. So type the A2 to A10 and press enter and go to the home tabs, go to the editing groups and click the format across the worksheets and next is click the all and next is ungroup the worksheets. So right click and click the ungroup the worksheets. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is so open the question number 2. Group the quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4 and quarter worksheets. So group the worksheet and with the worksheet group change the width of column A to 18. So select the column A, right click and click the column with this to 18. Click OK and next is ungroup the worksheets. Right click and click the ungroup the worksheets and group the quarter 1 to 4 worksheets and use the auto sum to total the value of the data range B3 to E11. Format the range B3 to E3 and B11 to E11 using the accounting number formats. So B3 to E11 and press enter and use the auto sum. So go to the home tabs, go to the editing groups and click the auto sum and next is B3 to E3. So type the B3 to E3 and press enter and B11 to E11. So next range is B11 to E11 and apply the accounting number formats. Next is type the monthly total in cell A11 and type the debt total in cell A2. So type the A11 and press enter and type the monthly total and press tabs and next is select the cell is E2 and type the debt total. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is so open the question number 3 is on the yearly total worksheets insert the hyperlink in cell B2 to the range E2 to E11 in the quarter 1 worksheets include the screen tips quarter 1 totals on the year total worksheets and select the B2 and ranges E2 to E11. Insert the hyperlink. So go to the insert tabs and click the insert the links And next is to B2. Select the quarter one worksheets and type of reference cell is E2 to E11 and click the screen tip is to type the quarter one total and click OK and again OK. And next is insert the hyperlink in cell C2. Right clicks and click the link. And next is range is type to E2 to E11 quarter 2 worksheets. Screen tip is to quarter 2 totals and click OK and again OK. And next is select the D2, insert the hyperlinks and E2 to E11s the quarter 3 worksheets and screen tip is to quarter 3 total. Click OK and again OK. And next is quarter 4 in cell E2, insert a link and range is E2 to E11 quarter 4 worksheets. Click OK. Sorry, added a hyperlink and click the hyperlink to E2. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is select the yearly total, constitutes and future worksheets, hide the selected worksheets. So yearly total and constitutes and futures worksheet, right clicks and click the hides and next is with the quarter 4 worksheets and unhide the yearly total and constitutes. Click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We'll move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is on their new window within the workbook, all of four window display the quarter worksheets, 3 new window workbooks, and so far all window display the quarter 1 worksheets on the 3 window. So on the quarter 1 worksheets and window grips, so go to the view tabs, click the new window, go to the view tab and new window. On the 3 new window, arrange the workbook active workbooks and trial on the screen. Arrange a window and trials, click OK and trial on the screen and click OK. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. Enter the label quarter total in cell A11 and press enter. Enter the label quarter totals and press enter. Label quarter and press enter. So type the A11, press enter and type the quarter quarter total. Press enter. And next is in cell B3, insert the relative reference to cell E3 quarter worksheets. Use the fill handle to copy the formula through B11. So type the B3, press enter and type is equal to quarter 1 worksheets in cell E3. In cell E3 and press enter and use the fill handle to copy the formula B11. So copy the formula in cell B11. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is open the question number 7. In cell F3, insert the 3D formula, sum the value E3 across the quarter 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. So type the F3, press enter, type is equal to and 3D formula quarter 1 to 4 in cell E3 and press enter, in cell F3 and type is equal to type the sum function and sheet is quarter 1 to 4 in cell E3 and press enter and next is copy the formula F4 to F11. Next is apply the accounting number format to cell F3 and F11. So type the F3 and F11, apply the accounting number formats and next is apply the comma style to the range B4 to F10. So type the B4 to F10 and press enter and apply the comma cell styles and select the range B11 to F11, apply the total cell styles. So type the B11 to F11, press enter and apply the total cell styles. Okay, so question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is open the question number 8. On the consolidate worksheets and use the consolidate tool to select the add the range A2 to E11. So go to the data tabs and click the consolidate and next is to the tool and using ranges quarter 1, go to the quarter 1 worksheets and A2 to E11, A2 to E11, click add and next is quarter 2 worksheets, quarter 2 worksheet A2 to E11, 2 to E11, click add and next is A2 to E11 on the quarter 3 worksheets, quarter 3 worksheets A2 to E11 and click add and next is select the top row left column and then click OK. Select the top row and left column labels and click OK. And next is autofit the width of column A to N. So select the column A2 and apply the autofit column and apply the center horizontal alignment to the range B1 to N1. Type the B1 to N1, press enter and apply the center horizontal alignments and bold the selected ranges B1 to N1. Click the bold and select the range B10 to N10, apply the total set style. So type the B10 to N10, press enter and apply the total set styles. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is With the workbook display in cell B3, enter the formula to link the F3. Open the yearly total worksheet and change the reference to cell F3 is relative reference. So select the B3 and press enter. Enter the formula. So type is equal to and enter the formula F3.
With the E09H2 Indiana workbook displayed, click cell B3 and then type the equal sign. With the E09H2 Indiana workbook displayed, click cell B3 and then type the